去走楼梯。嘿嘿嘿嘿。好，小心哦。
我才不会撞到的。哎爸，我觉得我上来就晕了。啊。哎呀！滑下来了。
风。
哎呀！哎，我是怕掉下去，因为上来很高。
那就好了。
We've come a long way, see how much we've grown. Let's make the best of today, despite the unknown. Please come with me, you can open the door. Now we are free, I'm ready for more.
你要去哪里？